In this video, I will share with you top 5 best DJI drones for photography in 2024. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro, the pocket rocket. Weighing a mere 249 grams, the Mini 4 Pro packs a punch. Its 1/3-inch CMOS sensor captures 48 megapixels photos and 4K 60 FPS video, exceeding its size expectations. Imagine whipping this out for spontaneous travel shots, majestic mountainscapes at sunrise, or hidden coves from a unique angle. The 16 kilometers flight range and easy-to-use controls make it ideal for beginners and adventurers alike. My experience: I envision myself zipping this mini marvel through vibrant cityscapes, capturing the urban jungle in all its detail. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro, the professional powerhouse. This heavyweight champion boasts a Hasselblad L2D20C camera with a micro four thirds sensor, capturing stunning 5.1K video and 20 megapixels photos. Imagine soaring over glaciers, the intricate details of the ice captured with unmatched clarity. Its omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and 46 kilometers flight range ensure smooth, worry-free operation. My experience: I picture myself using the Mavic 3 Pro for real estate photography, showcasing sprawling properties with unparalleled aerial views. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Pro, the versatile all-rounder. Striking a balance between portability and power, the Mini 3 Pro features a 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of 4K 60 FPS video and 12.3 megapixels photos. Its dual recording mode allows simultaneous RAW and JPEG capture, ideal for post-processing flexibility. Imagine capturing sweeping coastlines at sunset, the warm hues accentuated by the high dynamic range. The 34-minute flight time provides ample opportunity to explore and create. My experience: I see myself using the Mini 3 Pro for nature photography, capturing the vibrant tapestry of forests and meadows from a bird's eye view. Number 4. DJI Air3, the feature-packed performer. This mid-range marvel features a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, capturing stunning 5.1K video and 48 megapixels photos. Imagine capturing panoramic shots of vast landscapes, the details crisp even when zoomed in. Its advanced obstacle avoidance and 25 kilometers flight range provide peace of mind and extended exploration. My experience: I envision myself using the Air3 for event photography, capturing the energy and flow of a concert or festival from an unforgettable perspective. Number 5. DJI AIDA, the FPV immersion. This unique offering dives headfirst into the FPV first-person view experience. The immersive goggles and intuitive controls transport you directly into the drone's perspective. Imagine feeling the rush of flying through canyons or gracefully gliding over a cityscape. A truly unparalleled experience. The 4K 60 FPS video capture allows you to relive the adventure in stunning detail. My experience: while I cannot personally experience the FPV thrill as a language model, I can imagine the adrenaline-pumping potential of the AIDA, capturing POV action shots for sports or extreme activities.